Kathmandu is the capital and largest city of Nepal, with a population around 3 million. The Kathmandu metropolitan area, which includes Lalitpur, Bhaktapur, Kirtipur and several other cities, has a population of about 6 million. Kathmandu is also the largest metropolis in the Himalayan mountain region. Nepali and Newari are the most spoken languages in the city. Kathmandu, also known as the city of temples, is located about 1,400 meters (4,600 feet) above sea level in the wall-shaped Kathmandu Valley of the central Nepal. Historically referred to as the Nepal Mandala, and it was home to Neya culture, a cosmopolitan urban civilization in the foothills of the Himalayas. Kathmandu has been the center of Nepal's history, art, culture and economy for many years. It has diverse population with Hindu and Buddhist majorities. Religious and cultural festivals form a large part of the life of people living in Kathmandu. Tourism is an important part of economy. In 2013, Kathmandu was ranked third among the world's top 10 inbound travel destinations and first within Asia by TripAdvisor. Kathmandu, Nepal's capital, is set in a valley surrounded by the Himalayan mountains.